Today I'm Stacey from AFC and we are here today to talk about the Cobb Premium Plus. I would personally call it the grill on the go. It's very lightweight and portable, and it will not take up a lot of space in your 4x4 when you go camping. You can use it to cook anything. You can fry in it, grill, you can use it for baking, pastas and stews. So what we use to cook with this grill is cobblestone charcoal. It is environmental friendly because it's made of coconut husks, and it will not leave a funny taste to your food because it doesn't smoke. So I did say it's portable and lightweight, but I also want to mention that it's very easy to clean and you can clean it in your dishwasher as well. I would like to show you the grilling rack that you use to grill your chicken. I would also like to show you the non-stick frying griddle that we have here that you can also use to fry your steaks. We have this tool that you use to remove your non-stick griddle, and you can put in your veggies in there while you grill your chicken or anything. So you can cook for up to 3 hours with the cobblestone charcoal, and of course it will get hot, but you don't have to worry about that because we have the outer casing that will protect you when you want to move your cob from place to place. So we have accessories that you can buy with the Cobb, and let me show you the utensil set from Frontrunner. So this is your high quality kitchen utensil set from Frontrunner. Everything is in here that you will need for cooking in the bush. It rolls up securely for a safe rattle-free transportation. Please enjoy your cooking in the bush.